A mysterious extraterrestrial object has just entered our atmosphere and was caught by astronauts on board of the International Space Station. An unidentified flying object was witnessed barging into our orbit through the International Space Station's live feed, prompting NASA to cut broadcasts. What are our governments trying to cover up? What was this advanced alien object that was observed flying through our atmosphere? Join us in unraveling what this UFO was and how it is intriguing all space enthusiasts out there. In today's video, we'll investigate the bizarre sightings on the International Space Station, the ISS's controversial history with UFOs. UFO sightings are both fascinating and terrifying. The thrill of discovering signs of extraterrestrial life for the first time is there, but on the other side, it also has an ominous feel to it. What if we discover something horrifying? Many UFO encounters have been captured on tape, and all of them started with the same reaction: fright and perplexity. If these objects are indeed from outer space, there's one place out there where it is ideal for us to detect these malicious objects entering the space around Earth. Right, that place is the International Space Station, or the ISS, a station that continuously observes Earth and orbits it constantly. The ISS launched in 1998 in partnership with the main space agencies in the world. It is our first and largest modular space station currently in low Earth orbit. Its primary mission? To perform boundless space research involving astrobiology, astronomy, meteorology, and astrophysics to enable our scientists to further understand the mysteries of the universe. It is our eye in the sky, with multiple astronauts living on the ISS. It is not likely that some of them would encounter something that we cannot fathom moving around our Earth. In 2005, during a spacewalk outside the station, then ISS Commander astronaut Leroy Chiao reported he witnessed lights that seemed to be in a line and which were almost like an upside-down checkmark. This is the first of many UFO encounters at the ISS, several of which were caught by keen space observers in real time during the station's live video feed. Just like this one in 2011, when a suspected UFO mothership was spotted near the ISS. Even with astronomers vigorously refuting allegations of extraterrestrial UFOs, footages of these sightings keep circulating, including this one in 2020 when a Russian astronaut reported a suspicious UFO sighting once again. These sightings seem to be mysterious lights hovering in space, but these are nothing compared to what astronauts on the ISS observed in 2016, a supposedly intelligent extraterrestrial object entering our atmosphere. What was this strange object that tried to infiltrate Earth? Among the greatest minds on Earth, many of them believe that it is almost inconceivable that no life forms exist in the enormous cosmos. It is simply a matter of when and how we are going to meet them. But what if they have already discovered us? What if all this time they are attempting to reach us and communicate? Are we ready to meet our extraterrestrial neighbors? Leading UFO theorists felt that an alien civilization tried to contact us in 2016 with a mysterious glowing object entering our Earth's atmosphere captured during the ISS livestream. A famous YouTube channel called StreetCap1 shared a snippet of the ISS's livestream on July 9, 2016. Even though the resolution is poor, we can observe a luminous object descending towards Earth. As we can see in the video, we can observe a white, slightly cubed object entering the Earth's atmosphere. The bizarre object is slowly descending in a steady speed. ISS live feed caught this glowing object infiltrating our planet. The video spread like wildfire over the internet. Many theorists are determined that this was truly a spaceship from an extraterrestrial civilization. What's more intriguing was that following the detection of this unexpected visitor, immediately after it touched our Earth's atmosphere, NASA instantly cut its live broadcast. Since this seems to conveniently happen more often, some space experts voiced their opinion that NASA is attempting to conceal sensitive information from the public, something that they are somehow not allowed to reveal. Why did NASA suddenly cut the broadcast as soon as this white object touched our atmosphere? Do you think it was just a coincidence? After the video went viral, StreetCap1 released a statement. They claimed that the fact that the camera went off as soon as the UFO reached our atmosphere is highly suspicious and interesting. Many UFO spotters were concerned on why the broadcasts were cut. They are also convinced that this thing is an advanced object sent by aliens, which NASA is trying to conceal. With this much controversy, what did NASA have to say about this peculiar incident? Are they truly hiding something? Let's find out. What did NASA discover about this puzzling object near our planet? NASA is not unfamiliar with scandals. Next to failed space missions, concealing sensitive material regarding the existence of alien life from the public is one of the greatest allegations thrown against the organization. This is not the first time they got accused of this. Many alien purists believe that NASA has already discovered extraterrestrial life, and that it is being confined in places such as the infamous Area 51, a heavily guarded American facility famous for numerous theories about aliens. This UFO encounter in 2016 certainly added fuel to the fire, as space fanatics accused NASA of suppressing what may be critical evidence of extraterrestrial life by cutting the ISS live transmissions. In the midst of the confusion, NASA spokesperson Daniel Huo swiftly reassured the public that nothing out of the ordinary happened inside and outside our atmosphere. The UFO detected could be anything, such as a meteor or space junk captured by the ISS's camera. According to Mr. Huo, the object was most likely to be space debris, an ISS window reflection, or light coming from Earth. Some speculate it is the now decommissioned Chinese space station Tiangong-1 crashing towards Earth. Okay, let's pretend the thing was only a meteor or some space junk. Why did the video feed go off immediately after the object reached our atmosphere? The footage, according to Mr. Huo, comes from NASA's high-definition Earth viewing (HDEV) experiment on board the ISS, which is mounted externally. The experiment is frequently out of range of the Tracking and Data Relay Satellites, or TDRS, which are utilized by the station to broadcast and receive video, voice, and telemetry. For live feeds, if the device loses signal, the cameras will display a blue screen indicating that no signal is present, which happens often to the feed, Huo assured. However, many space enthusiasts remain unconvinced of NASA's explanation. Firm UFO believers think the US government's lengthy history of cover-ups makes it easier to assume that this is just another cover-up. The public opinion: is this an alien UFO or not? The argument continues with the remaining question of whether or not this is truly an advanced extraterrestrial artifact. To answer this interesting topic, we will require the assistance of various UFO spotters and alien object experts. Pop Trigger, a popular YouTube channel for UFO conspiracies, is certain that this is an extraterrestrial UFO encounter, and their primary argument? They are skeptical that NASA's device for capturing its live stream failed due to technical reasons. The timing of the broadcast cuts is excellent. As soon as the object entered our atmosphere, the footage turned blue, as if NASA was concealing something sinister. Dr. Seth Shostak of the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, SETI, believes otherwise. He argued that the object we saw just before the feed shut off was most likely a little object close to the camera that was moving slowly relative to the station. He claims that even a little drop of water appears large, bright, and quick from a distance of 20 feet. Dr. Shostak further stated that it would be pointless for NASA to conceal such a significant discovery, because the event would almost certainly increase the organization's funding. NASA is under increasing scrutiny as the general public's mistrust grows. People are hungry for answers, and it's only a matter of time before we find these answers ourselves.